Introduction to AI. Do you ever wonder how your phone recognizes your voice or how Google predicts what you are going to type next? This is all due to a technology called artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Let's understand more about it.
Let's say you are shopping on Amazon for a new pair of running shoes for many days. As soon as you log in the third or fourth time, you might notice a few things. First, you see a list of recommended products. These recommendations aren't random. They are chosen by an AI system that's learned from your past shopping behavior, search, and the behavior of other customers who bought similar items. As you start to search for running shoes, the AI is hard at work again. It uses a technique called natural language processing to understand what you're looking for, even if you type something like good shoes for running. It also uses your search to refine its recommendations. If you look at a lot of running shoes, it might start recommending other running gear or products that you might require for exercises. Now, let's say you click on a pair of shoes you like. Here, the AI is also helping out. It can use image recognition to identify the shoes in the picture and match them to the right product. And when you scroll down, you see a list of customers who bought this item also bought. Again, that's the AI learning from the shopping patterns of millions of customers. Finally, after you buy your shoes, the AI isn't done. It uses your purchase to update its understanding of your shopping preferences. This way, the next time you shop, it can give you even more accurate recommendations. In all of these steps, AI is working behind the scenes to make your shopping experience more convenient and personalized. It's like a personal shopping assistant, learning from your behavior to help you find what you need.
Artificial intelligence is a part of computer science. It's about making machines or software that can think and learn like us, humans. In other words, AI allows a computer to act smart. This might sound like a story from a science fiction book, but AI is real, and it's being used today in many things around us. The history of AI started around the mid-20th century when some scientists decided they wanted to make computers intelligent. They believed that if humans can think and learn, then why not machines? This is how the journey of AI began. Today, AI is used in many ways. For example, when you ask Siri a question on your iPhone, it's AI that allows Siri to understand and answer your question. When you see recommendations on your YouTube or Netflix, it's also AI working in the background. From self-driving cars to voice assistants like Alexa, AI is changing how we live and work. AI works by learning from data. Let's say you want to make a machine that can identify dogs in pictures. You would first give it many pictures of dogs and tell it, "These are dogs." The machine would then study these pictures and learn what dogs look like. After this learning phase, if you show it a new picture, it can tell you whether a dog is in it or not. But it's not just about recognizing dogs or answering questions. AI can do a lot more. It can solve problems, understand languages, and even make decisions. AI is a powerful tool that has a lot of potential to do good. It's an exciting field with a lot of challenges and opportunities. And we are only just beginning to explore what AI can truly do.